Time now for Rick's Rallies. Vince sends Lincoln's Nick Klump with the incredible hoop. Seriously, check this out again in slow-mo. Klump, the jaw-dropping reverse layup. Best finish of this high school boys basketball season took place this Friday at Terre Haute North High School. Tied with 2 seconds left, Jake Newton of the Patriots with a game-winning bucket as time expires on the putback. Newton gets mobbed on the court. Take another look at this play. The ball gets batted right to Newton, who literally just flips the ball up by the rim. It bounces around and in. What a moment for the North senior. That was his last shot of his home career. Dwayne Lathan with a major posterization. The ISU men's basketball junior dunks over 6'8" Carlton Fay of Southern Illinois. Lathan has had some awesome dunks at ISU, but this, my friends, is my favorite of all time and one of the best dunks in the program's history. That does it for this week's edition of Rick's Rallies. Keep hustling and making the plays because you never know when the camera will be on you and you could be part of the next Rick's Rallies. That does it for Sports News 10. We'll be right back.